If you're new to working remotely 100% of the time, this could be a significant adjustment. You may not have been prepared to turn your living space into your workspace for the foreseeable future. Suddenly that spare bedroom, dining room, kitchen, or closet has turned into a home office. If you enjoyed having daily social interaction with coworkers, feelings of isolation and loneliness could set in. In this video, you are going to learn 5 tips for working remotely that will make your experience less stressful and more productive. Before I continue, I will like you to subscribe to VideoConnect TV, and when you subscribe, click on the bell button, so that you will be notified when we upload new videos on different ways you can take your business to the next level. Tip number 1. Designate a workspace. It is easier to stay mentally focused if you designate a specific area in your home to get work done. That could be a home office, spare bedroom, or some other dedicated area that offers privacy. If you will be making video calls while working remotely, make sure to find a spot that provides a lot of natural light, a background that you won't mind having others see. Tip number 2. Create a comfortable environment. Make sure you have the right equipment at home so you can be efficient and productive. This includes things like a computer and high-speed internet connection that can support video conferencing, a desk, an ergonomic chair, office supplies and a desk lamp. Make your workspace as comfortable as possible, whether that includes a scented candle, soothing music, family photos, or a potted plant. Tip number 3. Set boundaries. It's essential to set boundaries when working remotely. This is because more than likely, you have your spouse, children and pets all in close quarters. Give your family signals as to when to leave you alone. For example, when the door is closed, that means that Dad is on a conference call and doesn't want to be disturbed. Tip number 4. Maintain a consistent routine. Your children aren't the only ones that thrive on structure. Set a work schedule for yourself and stick to it. Try to wake up at the same time every day and treat weekdays just as you did before. For most people, the morning is the time to get serious work done, so try to complete many difficult tasks as early in the day as you can. Tip number 5. Overcommunicate. Because you are not in an office where people can see you, communication is more critical when working remotely. Communicate frequently with your boss and know what's expected of you. The very best remote workers will reach out to coworkers and managers regularly through a variety of tools. Please, this is a stressful time for everyone, so it's important to remember to have fun while working remotely. At the end of the day, try to embrace the additional quality time you have with your family. If you like this video, subscribe to VideoConnect TV, and when you subscribe, click on the bell button, so that you will be notified when we upload new videos on different ways you can take your business to the next level and make extra income online. Thanks for watching.